Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb Bellow portable Bluetooth speaker. You can see from the picture that this is a very tiny and compact Bluetooth speaker, a wireless Bluetooth speaker. This supports Bluetooth 5.0, has a USB charger along with a micro SD card slot. It also comes with an aux cable or an aux port, you will find out, and an FM radio. Let's quickly see what are the specifications we can gather. Some important information over here. The charging time for this particular Bluetooth speaker is 1.5 hours and playback time is 3 hours. It also supports MP3 and WAV file format. Now let's open this box and take a look at the speakers themselves. Okay, now let's take a look at all the components in the box. So this is a micro USB charging cable with a 3.5mm jack on one end and a USB jack as well. So this basically doubles as a multimedia speaker when you want it to be. I'm going to keep this over here. This is the user manual for the Zeb Bellow portable Bluetooth speaker. You should read it at least once, of course. And this is the Zeb Bellow portable Bluetooth speaker. It's a tiny form factor. It has this half circle shape which is very unique. Very tiny form factor, has a matte black finish over here and looks tough. This is a mesh design over here. It's a tough and durable design. If you drop it from your hand, it's not going to break. There is a foam edge speaker right over here. It's a unique speaker, uniquely shaped speaker. And there are two anti-skid stops underneath, so that this prevents this particular speaker from skidding. That's a great addition. On top you have some media control buttons. You have your plus minus for your volume rockers over here, along with the change track and a mode play pause button and a mode changing button right over here. And on this side you have some ports. There is a USB-A port, a SD card slot, micro USB charging port and the on off switch. So this is how you turn it on.
Zebronics for life.
Bluetooth mode.
So the moment I switch it on,
Zebronics for life.
Bluetooth mode.
It enters pairing mode. Now in another video I will show you how to pair this to a smartphone. Let's keep it switched off for now. And there's also a tiny lanyard here. This is what you use to carry it around. It's a great touch as well. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zeb Bellow portable Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.